Good day, sir. Good day. What do you want to buy?
See you. This trying to get ready for this place. Now statue. Now human being be this. See, I tell you, I tend to find girls first. I know they in a hurry. As you see me like this, I be patient dog. Okay. So I tend to find girls finish. By the time you finish with the fine girl, then you can solve my problem. I know they're in a hurry. Okay. I be patient dog.
No problem. How do my fine girl? Here is your drugs. Your money is 950. But I will remove 50 naira for you. If you will give me your number. You know I like you.
In your dream.
In my dream. Please, bros. You can go. Bros.
My brother, you get one local match where I get a man Chelsea match where I get. So as man to man. Now I say make I come meet you as my fellow man, so that you will give me weapon of warfare. Weapon of warfare that is conjugal conglomeratory Congolese. Okay. And sometimes my energy they fail me. I don't even know what's going to happen. Sometimes just give me
no problem. I will give you the original one. I will give you the original one.
My, what today? Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, father.
Please, can I get some? Oh, Brother John.
Father, good afternoon.
Brother John. Mantle and the flock of Christ. How are you?
I'm fine.
It's been a while. What happened? I've not seen lately at the parish. Where have you been?
Oh, at the parish? Yes. That is, my papa is parish, so I don't go to parish.
No way.
But if it is marriage, my mother is still alive. I can go to marriage.
John, you've not really changed. So what are you doing here? Are you sick?
Yes. So yes. I'm sick. I know well. Yes, I know well. So I said, make I come by. Paracetamol, make I take,
John.
Yes, sir.
It's okay.
I have malaria.
Yeah. You're healed in Jesus' name. You're healed in Jesus' name.
Thank you.
You're well, okay?
Thank you.
My friend,
here is your good circle and the refinol you requested.
Are you alright?
I'm alright now.
Here is my waiting. Are you mad? Me requested for go circle. Go circle. Is it paracetamol or Panadol? Or Novagin? Or what is it used for?
John.
Oh, is this for John? Okay, sir?
Did you actually order for this item?
I cannot order. Why will I order? What is Chris? Father, this way you bring now, the reason cure malaria.
Brother John.
Look at you.
Brother John.
I came here, I told this boy I'm sick. Say I get malaria and typhoid. This boy he gave me this. Because father, no verse. On our way go school. We read the book. Because this is the reason cure malaria and typhoid.
Don't let me believe that you ordered for a circle.
It is not possible.
Am
I stupid? Look at even the boy said, come, do you have problem with your papa? No, let me ask you. Look at father, father, I cannot come and ask this boy to give me when I have malaria and typhoid. What is father, by the way, what is this used for? What is it being used for?
Wow. I'm very disappointed.
Sorry, I'm asking you as if you have a gift.
Brother John.
Sir?
Brother John.
Sir?
Brother John.
Father.
Brother John.
And you, somebody came to you complaining of malaria and typhoid. You went and brought go circle. Then you go circle. Go circle because of Panadol go Esther.
God, John.
It's okay.
You tested for something. I'm giving it to you.
It's okay, my dear. John. Did you actually order for these items?
Yes, Father.
Please get me some aspirins. You have aspirins? Aspirins. Get me some aspirins. Yes, sir, you get me another drink.
Oh, that nonsense, this one. Of all the time, this Reverend Father don't see when he go come buy something. Now why I want to enter pharmacy to go collect one or two. Now that he knows, he go know say he go come to this. See, Reverend Father, if not because of say God go first, if I talk this way I want to talk now, I for just say me thunder fire you. But if I talk now, God go first, say in servant. Yes.
Good day, sir.
Good day. Are you there?
Yes, sir. What do you want to buy, sir?
No, not like saying that me one buy the thing, you understand? And one of my uncle who I say make this is my uncle. What is he? Okay. I said no. Instead of this my uncle get to try Obrina Georgia. Instead of this my uncle to contact Ace, the best thing we go do from his nephew now to they send them protection. So now I say make I come buy one from with one tramadol.
Okay, sir.
It's good to play safe, sir. I like guys that play safe, sir.
Hello, sir. Are you okay?
No, I'm John. I'm not okay. I'm John. You say you like guys that play safe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now that I play safe, Uncle.
It's good, sir. Let me get your items, sir.
No, the thing is that all about me it's me that need the condom. But
there is no problem, sir. Let me get your items, sir.
I shy. I don't know how I take tell you say that meaning.
Let me get your items, sir.
Yeah, John, are you here again?
Have you come again? Anywhere where I go, you follow me. Are you MTN? Are you MTN everywhere you go? You don't follow me come this place again.
Brother John, I'm not stalking you, okay? What I went to get at the pharmaceutical shop was out of stock. That's why I'm here. By the way, is your uncle back?
Is my uncle back?
Yes.
Do I stay with my uncle? I'm gonna help you. Eh? I don't stay with him. I don't know.
Sir, I asked him to get something for me, and you know what? I would like you to.
But I don't know. But I go now. John, I'm gonna have that.
It's okay. It's okay. I want you to get the items I'm asking to buy from me from the market. Oh, never mind. Don't worry. I will send them.
Sir, here are your items, sir.
Which items?
The items you requested for, sir.
The items I requested for.
Please, what items did he actually ask you to get from me from there?
Sir, condoms, sir.
Oh, he come in.
Condoms again?
Yes, sir. Condoms.
Look at John. Is it that is it that the lady has something like Oshunire? This was the same thing that happened in the other pharmacy I went. Look at it, it's repeating itself here again. I came to this place, I told this girl, give me Panadol condoms. I don't know she what you concern condom instead of listening. It's like these people they have ear problem or maybe the way I talk. Okay, Father, let me ask you. You are a reverend father. Because do you use condom? What is he used for?
Brother John.
In a use here.
Condoms again.
I don't even know why this. In fact, the best thing I would do is to go and meet one native doctor to tell the native doctor to mix a book for me to drink. Because I don't know what these people are turning into. Is condom paracetamol? Is condom Panadol? Why would this guy give me condom? I did that for condom. I came here to
It's okay. Did he actually order for those items again?
Yes, sir. He actually ordered for the condoms, sir.
That young man must be up to something. This was exactly what happened at where I met him. I left without my notice. It's okay, give me some aspirins there, okay, and another jelly.
Life na jeje, yo. Life na jeje, na ja 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 oh, na ja. Life na jeje, na ja ja. This life na jaja oh,
hey, this is how your friends be like water with them throw away. I'll get them.
Yeah,
okay, I say maybe I go clean one or two things for inside the compound. You know, the way you take ask this question, my mind is telling me say you miss me.
Not really. I was bored here.
Yes. Okay, don't worry yourself. I get one gift for you.
So where is the gift?
It's there for inside the room. More go inside the room, I give you the gift.
Can't you bring it here?
Bah, na special gift. So I know they carry on account any.
See, John. I hope the gift is special, as you said.
I know what you like. I know the kind of things you like. So if I'm not going to talk too much, let's okay, you see the man.
Let's go.
A piece when I come out.
A shit.
Yeah. And they test urine, we get malaria. It's okay, come on, go. You know what it is? In fact, because I know say this thing, I know the kind of special things where they like. So that's why I go collect that special thing. Come go place them for a special place.
Are you serious? Thank you. Thank you. So let's go for it.
I know they get again.
Okay.
I know they get again.
Okay.
I know they get again.
Let's go.
I know they get again.
What do you want me to do again?
I know they get again.
Huh? Where's the gift?
I know they get again.
Let's go.
I know they get again.
Again? I hope you Let's go.
You chop onions?
I see ya.
Okay.
Joy. It's like the gift is so special. Wow. Hey, stop! Why do you like this? Don't stop!
Captain, welcome. Sir, is there?
Sure, got in.
Oga in? He's on the
side.
Yeah. He's in.
It's in.
Make I tell you all this nonsense wey dey talk no dey enter my head. Since when them born me, I never hear say demon dey wear angel white. On a fire you there, come on, close your mouth also. Which kind of nonsense talk?
My uncle, I am in trouble.
Boy, wait, I get important issue. I want make I sort one or two things out.
What happened?
That man seated there is my uncle. And he will be mad with me if he sees me here.
Wait, no, Professor. That catechist waiting for that place. My uncle. The way that is now even niece. The way they stay with him.
Hey, John, I'm finished though. John, please. Is there any other exit door apart from this gate? I need to leave here now, please.
As I did like this, they confuse me. I don't even know where I did myself. Where I did Adamatura, where I did Adamawa. I confuse.
John, I said I want to leave here.
You get a number?
Yes.
Flash me a number.
Okay.
Release her.
070 35 70 50 419.
Oye? 419? Wait, you mean to tell me say that your uncle, that our catechist, the number end with 419?
Hey, calm down,
Now I get this 419.
See, I need to leave here now, please.
So now your number
number.
EFCC go call her. Hello, boy. Shut up your mouth every time you go one begin talk nonsense. You see that message you enter your phone, Adi? You see him? No worry, I will soon get back to you now. I will give you instruction on what to do. Yeah? Wait, you say that man, your uncle, our catechist. As in Holy Witch.
How am I going to leave?
The number
waiting to see me.
The number go end with 419. Okay, no problem. Osibanjo go hear him.
John, you have to help me out.
Dilo Milani go hear him.
Hey!
No, just relax yourself. I don't pass signal. Very soon now, 1 or 2 information will come out and then we'll go tackle him. No, forget that dog. The dog. Forget that. Now, jealous dog. Enter where you see me with woman. That's why they first.
Woman?
No, enter where you see me close to women. That's why they first. So your uncle, our catechist get mine, go buy number where end with 419. You know me, you go call him. You want jump fence. Are you a criminal in your life? Sorry. You cannot jump. Don't worry yourself, relax.
Say what happened.
That's so everything we are telling you for that phone, so it happen. Okay.
I know so you know me.
As I see me like this now, I don't know whether I make I begin to laugh or make I begin to cry because the way with the mysterious thing where the inside the thing will happen now is it the baffle me. Okay, as I send you that message, the moment you call the catechist, as you call the catechist, we and the catechist they talk for phone. Then I say make I do 1 or 2. The next thing I see now, the girl don't die.
John. Since you just they narrate this thing, just they go. For your mind, make I believe this is the way they talk. How you go tell me say that kind fine gear, full-fledged somebody where life full for him body, the girl just collapse, die like that. I don't say you no go accept me, or make I believe this super story way they talk about.
I know they form super story to you. As I talk to you now, that girl put the body inside the kitchen.
Inside where?
Kitchen. This one a plain story. And how okay? What if go make me begin to use dirt? Go to use dirt to do example. Give.
Because you don't say my mind there for that girl. Because you don't say I get interest of that girl. You won't talk this thing and make my mind silently come out from the girl. You see how your life is. No. You see how your life is.
Okay, the way what in the important now pass. Now say you get interest for where the girl dey. Now that one is important pass to you. The one why they tell you about the death of the girl, that one is important to you. See, make I tell you, Jacko. As I talk to you, I dey very serious about this matter. In fact, this girl now had the body there for kitchen. I vote for me and you.
As in, say she don't die.
This girl don't die. It is a joke. I joke. I could just come here. Go use that body. They play with person.
No. You know say. I know they take as you take talk for phone. Even come here, come they talk. I just say, as in, you said the dead body there for kitchen.
The dead body there for kitchen. You want to take your eyes? You want to go see with your make it believe.
Which of the kitchen? Sorry, no could go. You say the dog don't even know.
Oh, Jack, come. What you supposed to talk about now? Now solution to the problem now where they at hand now.
So make I see the dead body first.
Yeah.
Come now. Say don't die.
Oh, but come.
Which of the kitchen?
Come now.
Wait now.
Let me tell you something so very serious. Come, you also something.
Your husband, the stay front now. You say make that.
Then look, you come fast now. Go. talk any nonsense to me now. Slap me that day. Don't let me become now. Why? I can't survive. You don't like this place with that. You don't like this place with that. Maybe you die. So that you don't have this with that.
What do you mean? My eyes and tell me the truth. What to make you kill that girl?
The Chris? Huh? You dey mad?
I said, what to make you kill her?
What kind of nonsense question be that one? What to make me kill the girl? Kill the girl for what? With a quarrel? Me and the girl they quarrel. What thing go make me go kill the girl? As what? As Clifford Dodge? As a killer? Eh?
Okay. You give him tramadol. You smoke tramadol.
I give him tramadol. Why? That's me we go buy that's I see tramadol take. What thing go make me give the girl tramadol? Make she forget strength that me waiting happen. I no give this girl any tramadol and the girl I no even take any tramadol. See, make I tell you, Ojako, the reason will make me call you come here and make you come give me solution to the problem why they into. Don't be to the con they give me all this.
So you say you come here make I come do waiting. Give you solution. You don't say you no get sense so. You come here make I come give you solution. That's what. Now me they give solution for person wey keep person. So if person keep person, you go come in for solution.
So wait to Ojako.
Yeah.
Ojako.
John.
So because I call you to come here, you don't come here killer. So I don't become killer.
Person don't for your kitchen. Person don't for your kitchen.
No. Now me kill up. Now me kill the person. So I see Ojako. What to make me? In fact, I don't want to come here and make me begin to exchange one or two. I call you here, make you forgive me solution to the problem why they face. But if you know say you don't get any solution to my problem, I beg, shut up.
I beg, I don't get solution. And I won't go. I beg. Hey. Nonsense.
My uncle.
The man, Nana, why you no feel? Shut up now! Okay, it's okay now. Why? Be a man. Go.
If I hear him from your mouth, this one will be time for crying. Children cries now. I want make you behave like an adult. Even though you know be, but try to be an adult. Behave well, because if my uncle by any chance as I come here and I come to tell me say somebody this song here the momo, you come say na momo, my uncle's momo. What I go do you no go like him, you know. So shut up, behave, maintain like say we come blow close. Shut up, cry not. Oh baby,
I'm a man. What have I done? What have I put? What have an empty room?
I said, John, no hustle, man must work. Life na jaja o, jaja o, life na jaja o, jaja o. This life na jaja o, jaja o. I said, life na jaja o, this life na jaja o, jaja o, life na jaja o, jaja o. Anyhow it be, say man must work. Anyhow it be, oh, man must work. Yo, jaja. If you don't hustle, money no they come. Organic cannot choosing it. He gon' read, he go fake. Johnny don't want to tire. Back boom when the hot one is coming. Yeah. Life na ja.
John, why must you take you hours before you come and open this gate for me?
I don't even know. When you blow that horn, so I been think say the gate man. So because that time I dey inside the toilet. I found some. So as I dey for that place, they had the way. I just said the gate man they that place. And then. Now when the noise is too much, now say make I come outside. As I come outside, I wanna get man around them. So uncle, are you angry? Angry? They must have Judeus.
You're asking me if I'm angry.
Sorry.
Let there be no repeat of this next time. Anyway,
how did the interview go?
Yes, it went very well. Yes, the man he gave me the work.
He gave you the job?
Yes.
That's good. He promised me he will give you the job.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
yes,
sir.
No problem. Okay.
You go inside, you go your room, or you go inside. You want...
John!
Sir?
What kind of jam question is that?
No be jam question. Is this... Now just... Na for CMB. It's just that. No, I just wanted to know whether if you want. See, I still think don't be like this now. You're out on gas. This is my uncle who is in as he enter inside that place now. I know make you no go mistakenly go enter inside that kitchen. Make we find solution now to the problem we will face inside.
Which kind of solution would you find? Every solution there for your hand is
which hand? Who get solution for your hand? No single solution there for this man. Look, I come the Ocha. I don't get any single solution. Make we reason, make we put head together. Reason like men now. Make we forget about
for,
the boys.
I beg for this thing, I no be men.
You know be men.
I no be men.
Me and you na men. You man, me man put together na men. So
I am not men. I am not man.
What are you?
If you, yes, I'm Benji.
You're Benji.
Yes.
You're not gonna go Jacko now.
I be Jacko.
Now Jacko.
Yes.
Or Jacko getting?
Eh?
Or Jacko eh? See, make I tell you, we could begin to look for solution now as men now. Because if anything, if you have gas, don't forget say if you have gas, now me and you go inside.
No try. Well, I know what shout. I know they shout. Come.
As you see this my uncle now, if this man they behave like snake.
One thing they tell me say we go gas.
You don't they tell you already?
Yeah.
We go wait until the thing gas come.
John,
yeah.
Are you still going tomorrow?
No.
Because there's something I want you to do for me.
Okay, no, I don't go tomorrow. I will go next tomorrow.
Next tomorrow? Good. Go to my car trunk. I have 2 bottles of insecticide spray there. Go and get it for me. One is for Katkisima and one is for me. That reminds me. Did he look for me earlier today?
Yes, income. Then income rush come out say in get emergency for inside parish. So now income rush come out.
Okay, there's no problem. Jackie will tell them the pest control.
Is it?
Go and get me the 2 bottles of pest control.
Okay.
Go to my car and get it.
Okay.
Life na jeje. Yo. Life na jeje.
Problem day.
Which kind of problem?
My uncle, as I talk to you, my uncle they spray mosquito coil inside and outside this place.
Why your uncle no get sense?
Why my uncle no get sense? That's to spray mosquito shut us. Now say my uncle no get sense. Waiting there they try to talk. We say as my uncle don't spray this mosquito coil now, shut us now up and down. That means this place where we dey now will not be safe again.
Wait.
This place no dey safe.
You know they safe again now because very soon now cost go there for alarm.
John.
This one no be matter of John because if my uncle begin do this thing, I can't go see that dead body inside that place. We don't enter trouble.
But as we dey talk now, tell me which kind problem or trouble where we do, as in which kind trouble where we go there now, way past the one where we don't do already. You dey tell me say me and you, hey, see, talk say you dey for trouble, no talk say we. Don't we?
Hey.
I dey tell you, now you dey for trouble.
Make I not talk we. Make I not talk we. No, give me reason why I see. Make I tell you, Ojako. Now I don't refer it into my problem alone. If my uncle, anything will make my uncle go discover that corpse inside that place. If my uncle, make me and you, what we go do? We say we go just use our hand, go fashion the best sentence we go take. If not life sentence, if not to go firing squad, we go take our hand, go design the kind of gun we go use, but they fire us. If not to bury, we go design a very comfortable burial ground where they go bury me and you,
John
Ojako.
The only problem what they get with myself, like I say, I no listen to my pastor. If you say I know,
which pastor?
If you say I listen to my pastor, me and you for no day here they talk about this.
Which pastor?
My pastor.
You can't listen to your pastor. You don't listen to your pastor. What if you get the powerful pastor where they listen to? Common sense is supposed to tell you. So what you supposed to do now? To tell your pastor, make him pray for us. Make him come out for this dangerous zone where we dey now. Tell your pastor to pray, make him pray for us. Make him come out for this dangerous zone.
No wait, John, you don't shout for me.
See, look, I tell you. Wait,
John,
talk for me also. Shout for me.
You don't get sense.
You talk for me. See, if my uncle ever come outside here. See, for me. We carry on well, man.
I carry on well now. Who is at the gate? Keep her here. Go and check who's at the gate. I'm coming down. Keep her. Your uncle.
And my uncle be that too.
Guy, my hand no deal. My hand.
You know what's going to happen? They take this girl and I go find you.
Ay. Oh boy. Jonoski. Ava. Ava.
I know I dey try to see how I go take my
this one no be I dey try to see. Now that body will carry so. Anything we do, my hand no dey.
Okay. I don't go. Make I go check. See, protect this pet.
I go protect the person who don't die. You say make I protect them. Even me where they are, they fear. Go check. If you know what is good to yourself, you wake up. I don't have strength. If you know what is good, you wake up. I don't have strength. Don't come and put me in the good.
You know what's going to happen now?
I will put this girl for to speak.
For boot.
For boot?
Yes, Mo go put them for boot.
For boot?
Mo go carry and go put them for boot. So what you go happen now? Say just relax, me I go get the key.
Rush. If I wait for you, I don't see you. I go carry this girl from first through one.
No, try. We have team.
No, she's small. She no go enter team. Go. This girl will no get sense. Person we don't die by this time. You don't supposed to wake up. You did there, can't die, just die. Even the dog, the verse. Even the dog.
I tell you, even the dogs, they know say the girl don't die. They complain. So my pass like this. Go.
You go do this girl wake up here. If she wake up, no, the best way she see now she go first slap. I don't enjoy when she die like that. Now when she die, now I want enjoy.
If you don't hustle, money no they come. Organic cannot choosing it. You gon' read, you go fake. Johnny don't hustle tired. Back boom when the hot one is coming. Yeah. Life na ja. Take a easy, oh. I don't know anike. Then downfall of a man is not his end of his life, oh. As he let go. Life na jaja oh naja. Life na jaja oh jaja oh naja. Life na jaja oh naja jaja oh naja. Life na jaja oh naja jaja oh naja. This life na jaja oh naja jaja oh naja. I say life na jaja naja. This life na jaja oh naja. Anyhow it be, say man must walk.
Since this is not today, you never do like this before. But now, don't observe, say, you go up, you go down, you go up, you go down. I think you understand. I mean, I go call my oga. I be the motor will just want, move himself. Since when done, then just the wrong, then just move himself. Hi. I no grab. Just do like one with the gay label. Boom, boom, bang, 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 bang. I need to go and check wetin dey happen there because my work na just to dey survey. I need to go and survey wetin dey happen for that motor. Ma go. No go call that. May I just go observe first. Make I see wetin dey happen for this motor sef.
So this was a dream. Yeah? Which kind of nonsense dream is this one? Dream. Yeah?
John!
Uncle.
Oh, John, you are still here sleeping.
Good morning, good morning.
There is nothing good about the morning.
Why?
So you are still here sleeping. Your neighbors are all awake, getting ready for the day's activity. You know here, John. Eh? John! You should come on Guru. Eh? John, where is your cousin? What is your cousin?
Ojago answer call command.
Answer call command. I'm sure he has gone for his own work too. Because you people cannot be here whiling away your time. I know how much it cost me to secure this job for him. And you too. John, must I continue to do all these things for you? If you work and get your own money, you go and waste it in Bet Niger. Now, as it stands now, I keep on paying you for your bills, your house rent, your security bills. Can you imagine that? I'm also buying boxes for you people. When will you people grow? Eh? And why are we wasting my money on you?
Uncle, you asked a very important question. When will we people grow? We will grow when you die.
When I die? Yes. You cannot kill me.
Look at you. You day and night they do gili. See you. Everybody for this place now, like say people, there is people day and I go think say they try to help us. See you. Common 5 million naira, ordinary 5 million naira. Why I ask you? Say make you give you settle me and my cousin. You know, agree settle us. Now you know they shout, they raise voice. People now go think say you dey of help to us. You know they help us anywhere.
John, have you not been wasting your money on Bet Niger?
John, why are you talking like this, eh? Everybody in this yard knows that this your uncle has been trying for you people.
Oh, why can't we joke?
You know, make bottle.
Basket mouth.
Kill you there.
You know, go shut up your mouth.
Shut up too.
You know, go shut up.
Shut up.
See, me I tell you, you see that one man, that shrine where come off from. You see that river Niger where
Rico, shift.
One day I go just visit you.
Coco, I don't have your time. See, I want to go and fetch water. No, let balakba.
Shut up your mouth, basket mouth. See you. See what I tell you. I see you for my dream. All of you for ya. Bad luck now you be.
Bad luck will kill you there.
Bad luck now you be.
They will bear me witness. Heaven and earth will bear me witness.
Which heaven and earth will bear? I don't suffer. You see what they bring? You see what they cause? Now you they make cockroach. They go attend one meeting with fowl. You see what it costs? And you see, make I tell you. You see this your face will be like rumpled cloth. You are in fact, what you be now heavy bad luck, like because I see you for my dream. And for inside that dream, all of them for this compound now bad luck.
But John, your uncle they help you.
Uncle, who be uncle?
Uncle, you hear them? You hear them? If not be saying at you, the thing what for do John now?
John, your uncle is trying for you people. In the try for now, well. I don't know your problem.
Oh.
You keep talking all the time.
You decrease.
All of your money where they make now for cleaning they go. Look at you. Your mates they use their money judicially. They use your money go buy. They come Bia. Come make I tell you. You see that sugar mommy where that person wife where they go there every night. They go there bend for bending corner. If you know they move hand for there, they get back I know you. Continue. I've said my own. Let me go and do what I'm supposed to do. Stay here. Your mates, all your money what they make for this life. What do they think I do? They usually go buy cream. They rub cream. They come to Bia.
Don't mind him. That is what you used to do in this compound. Just don't mind him.
I for fight John now.
See, make I tell you. Go down 90 years old man where they blind, where they come for your hand in marriage. Go marry and now though. Because before you know it, the man will reach 110 years and you must marry her. Of all the whole fact way fat, your hands just shake.
Talk.
Nonsense. Uncle, you see what you cause? That you bring this nonsense now. Like I say, no, we are blue and blue with the red cap. We don't fail. Come here now. This is for already happen. You blue and blue with the cap, red cap. We don't fail. See, make I tell you. Any day, if I be you, any day when you hear this nonsense for your head, call yourself chief. Enter my office. I go deal with you.
I don't blame you, John. Here again, I am ashamed of being your uncle. I don't blame you. You must look for me in this life.
See, may I tell you, as they go now, you get one tolo, where you get this kind of feather, where you carry now, saying a shirt you wear. No go in the echo, see say you wear better shirt. That tolo, they jealous. If the tolo see you with the feather, where you wear, you go get problem with her. You come here, they allow all the whole nonsense neighbors where they tell they say, they make them understand, say, it ain't meaningful to me.